How can we use information technology to develop the information you need to improve the effectiveness of relief and development programs? A robust monitoring and evaluation system starts with the use of mobile devices to automate the collection of data in the field, devices such as phones, tablets, and netbooks. The particular choice of device should be influenced by user needs, the complexity of the monitoring and evaluation data, the availability and reliability of communication networks and power, the opportunity to leverage prior investments in mobile devices, and the impact on M&E system lifecycle cost. In our field projects, we've used everything from low-end mobile phones to capture SMS messages from village health workers, to iPod Touch devices used to conduct malaria surveys, to netbooks used to educate agriculture field agents in managing the eradication of cassava disease. Mobile devices require applications to allow users to capture monitoring and evaluation data. These can be as simple as an application used to enter an SMS message, or as complex as a form with audio and visual prompts to guide users along. The applications that offer the greatest efficiencies and improvements in data quality are those that allow offline data entry and automatic transmission of data to a central database when a communication network is available, and those that offer the ability to validate data as it's entered and reduce the complexity of data entry tasks by remembering previously entered data. Such applications reduce the labor associated with digitizing data captured by pen and paper in the field and carrying out subsequent data review and cleansing tasks. In conducting seed fairs, for example, we've been able to cut the labor we needed in half using iPod Touch devices and barcode technology to identify the beneficiary and seed vendors and track the exchange of goods. In conducting household malaria surveys, we were able to analyze and make use of information hours following the close of the survey as opposed to months, without substantial increases in cost. In our agriculture work, we are able to monitor the learning of field agents distributed across 6 countries in near real time and use that data to make adjustments in course material. Monitoring and evaluation systems rely on networks to transmit data from local devices to a central data store which accumulates data for analysis and reporting purposes. Network services come in different flavors: telecommunication networks, internet services, broadband, satellite, Wi-Fi, and WiMAX. We have found that the choice of communication network is or should be influenced by network availability, network reliability, device compatibility, and impact, again on M&E system lifecycle cost. The central data store for a monitoring and evaluation system needs not only to provide the facilities for accumulating and aggregating data, it must also support the ability to establish relationships within that data so that we can represent it in meaningful ways. Many data collection systems will provide the ability to accumulate data, but do not offer the capabilities of relational or geographic information system databases that facilitate analysis, reporting, and mapping. Thus, the choice of data collection application should be influenced by the ability to automatically extract data from the data store provided by a mobile data collection application and incorporate it into a relational and geographic database for further analysis. Think of a map pinpointing the locations of farming communities using new varieties of cassava, and think on how useful it would be to overlay that onto a map showing the incidence of cassava disease. A robust monitoring and evaluation system will include a set of analysis and representation tools that support the ability to aggregate and summarize M&E data, to trend it, to perform statistical analyses, and display it visually on maps, and to enhance the ability to use and understand it for decision making. Finally, a robust monitoring and evaluation system must support the ability of relief and development community stakeholders to access these analyses and reports and take advantage of them to learn and improve their work. Typically, this involves a web-based portal that can be accessed by a variety of devices over the internet, one which provides use of such data that are specific to stakeholder groups such as agriculture workers or project team members or regional and country program managers or health technical advisors. But we are not done. A robust monitoring and evaluation system is not technology alone, it's technology plus processes and support for its use. Users require ongoing training and support to effectively set up and use a monitoring and evaluation system. System components break and become obsolete over time. A sound support model is critical to ensure that M&E systems can be adapted from project to project, that they can be effectively deployed, and that they remain fit for use. For this reason, software as a service applications are of particular interest. They eliminate the need to invest in local servers to host applications. They eliminate the need to hire in-house IT staff to maintain them. They frequently incorporate on-demand training and support services. They also often incorporate a pay-by-the-drink cost models that obviate the need for large upfront investments. All of these things make it easier to transfer these applications to local institutions who continue to provide services to local communities following the completion of relief and development projects.